Why should celebrities have all the fun? Now you can feel like you have your own personal chef, farmer, and dietitian at your door every week. With Nutrition for Longevity's fresh, never frozen, plant-forward prepared meals. No cooking needed, just heat for 3 minutes and enjoy. Our regenerative farm works to provide the freshest seasonal ingredients possible, and now we even offer intermittent fasting programs to crush your goals even faster. Our culinary team ensures that our meals taste delicious and are restaurant quality, and our dietitians ensure that each meal is macro-balanced and controlled for simple carbs. Honest nutrition that is free from gluten, dairy, synthetic sweeteners, additives, preservatives, and fillers. Pick your plan today to start your journey. Or if you're not quite sure, book a free consult with one of our coaches to tailor a program just for you. Hit your goals in lightning speed with Nutrition for Longevity.